Well, that's better, isn't it? You never know there's been works going on there. Bainton and Berkhamsted. They're the narrowboats being restored by the looks of it. Old boats then, a good few years old. Everything you want for a week on a boat. Kettles, wood burning stoves, replacement batteries. It's all here. Just passing through. Need something for a quick repair or clean up and polish. Paint. It's got the lot. It's been repaired. You put the old stones back on the top and it's just the new bricks below, so it's all in keeping. Nice little tea rooms over there, and you've got the junction in pub over there that way. Nice food. There's a nice carvery as well, and these are all the boats. Private and hire boats moored up.